getting it free. There you go.
How long have you had it?
He hatched this morning.
I don't see it.
He's coming back for you.
Oh!